Olha a explosão, quando ela bate com a bunda no chão, quando ela mexe com a bunda no chão, quando ela joga com a bunda no chão, quando ela sarra e o bumbum no chão.
Big world with so much beauty all around us, like these giant redwoods that are hundreds of years old. But that doesn't mean we still have to experience the outdoors like it's the 1800s. Introducing the Jackery PowerPro, a portable 578 watt-hour generator designed to power everything you take with you and keep your adventures going. With AC and DC outlets and 2 high-speed USB ports, the PowerPro allows you to charge multiple devices at once. With a massive 578 watt-hours of power, the PowerPro is the most powerful energy storage solution in its class. The PowerPro is solar ready, so your power will always last as long as your adventures do. The onboard LED screen gives you real-time status of the remaining charge and input and output wattage. And the internal smart controller optimizes output and protects your devices from surges, overcharging, and overheating. And it's great to have at home as a backup if the power goes out. Just because you're off the grid doesn't mean you need to stop discovering, sharing, soaring, and capturing memories. Unlimited power opens a whole new world to what's possible outside. With one full charge, the Jackery PowerPro can run a mini fridge for 10 hours, an LCD TV for 4 hours, recharge a drone battery 7 times, and a typical smartphone 45 times. Keep all the devices that help you enjoy the great outdoors charged. Because it's not just about what you see when you're out here. It's about what you take back with you.
This is the Omni Ultimate, a brand new innovation that comes equipped with the best-in-class charging technologies. Offering an advanced AC outlet, adjustable DC output, and a high-powered USB-C port, you can power even the most demanding devices. Smart, powerful, and durable. This is the ultimate power solution to face any challenge and pursue every passion. Designed for the most demanding professionals on the go. Whether you're a freelancer, digital artist, or an innovator, this power solution is capable of charging all your devices. It's built for any situation and to solve every challenge. And beyond that, it comes with an industry-first DC outlet with adjustable voltage and amperage, giving you full power control so you can power anything, anywhere. The Omni Ultimate is the perfect power companion for all your equipment, whether for high-end professional work or for thrill-seeking hobbies. From start to finish, you want to be ready to take action, and your equipment needs to stay powered up at all times. Running out of power in the middle of your task is not an option. That's why we've designed this industry-first interchangeable battery system, allowing you to stay powered up so you won't miss any moments. Whether you're out in the world doing field research, helping in a disaster zone, or just want to camp out with your family and friends, the Omni Ultimate is there to keep you going. It's equipped with advanced solar charging capabilities, so you can stay off-grid and keep your devices powered up. It's built to be durable as well as splash and dust resistant. It's the last power solution you will ever need.
Batteries suck. It's just kind of a fact of life right now in the way that batteries work. But because of that, too. This is the ChargeTech Plug Portable AC Outlet Battery Pack, and it's probably like the elite of battery packs. Now, firstly, this one is 54,000 milliamps. Now that's enough to charge your iPhone XS almost 20 times. And unlike other portable chargers, it supports up to 250 watt devices. So that's laptops, televisions, speakers, drones, whatever. It has 2 fast charge USB ports, 1 USB-C port, and 2 worldwide AC outlets that'll accept any charger that you can put into them. You simply have to choose between the 110 volt US version or the 220 volt international version when you buy it. The Plug Portable AC Power Bank is not small, of course, but compared to the alternative of potentially using a small generator for the same things you'd be charging, it's a lot more portable of a solution, in that case at least, for sure. Now this thing, as with all things, doesn't come without some cons. There are 2 big ones for me that you need to consider. Now first, you cannot take the 54,000 milliamp model on flights. The limit in the US and internationally is 100 watt hours. So you figure this out by dividing the milliamps by 1,000 and multiplying that by the output voltage. Now, I brought it with me to Germany for IFA last year from the US, not realizing this limit, and no one questioned it. But upon a flight from Berlin to Frankfurt within Germany, it was seized. And that's when I learned about the battery limit the hard way. A travel model that they say is approved to fly on international flights that is only 42,000 milliamps and is $30 cheaper. Now, that's still plenty of battery, and since I fly a lot, it's probably the model I'd actually go for instead, depending on your 1,000 milliamp model called the Plug Pro is $299, and the Plug Travel is $269, so neither is terribly cheap. They do have an older model though that is a lot smaller and only has 1 outlet, and it's not universal, but it's only 27,000 milliamps. But I did manage to find it on Amazon for about $200 if you don't need as much battery and want something a little cheaper and more portable, but still as a proper outlet, which you can click at the link below. Personally, I'd probably go for the 47,000 milliamp version, as to me, the whole point is that I want as much battery as I can get, but still be able to fly with it as I fly constantly for work. Now, also, if you're plugging in outlet devices, they're generally more power hungry anyway, so the more milliamps you can get,